Presenting the 2015 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black side windows trim, black front windshield trim and black rear window trim, clear coat paint, deep tinted glass, front fog lamps, fully galvanized steel panels, manual leveling auto-off aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps, regular box style, splash guards and steel spare wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.